I'm turning Travis Scott into a tech house artist, but not just by dropping 4 on the floor drums underneath one of his tracks. I'm going to be building a brand new track entirely from scratch. New chords, new drums, new everything. Let's jump straight in. Yeah, this acapella is fire. Let's add a bass line to sit underneath it. Let's add some sidechain. Perfect, now we've got room to add the kick in. These bass accents sound crazy. Yeah, we've got super simple drums for this one. That's literally the drums done. Yeah, this is sounding super dope already. I'm gonna add this key pattern for a bit of ambience just to sit in the background. And we can also pitch this up. Yeah, I like how this sounds. Just something chill to sit in the background. I think this is coming together pretty well. I love the bounce on this one. I'm thinking let's add some chords now. Yeah, this is great for adding emotion. Yeah, I think this is fire. You know what? Let's add something crazy right now. We've got a saw lead that's just going to sit on top. And let's add some frequency modulation. Let's add this Foreman EQ, which makes it sound like it's talking. Right, this should have been a tech house song all along. Damn, this was like entirely Quavo's vocals. Sorry, Travis. If you enjoyed this, then make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.